How good are you guys in mathematics?
Very bad.
0.
I'm very bad.
What would be the full form of bod mass?
Bod mass. Body mass.
According to you, who was Aryabhat? Not Alia Bhatt, Aryabhat. Cube of 2.
16.
I want you to add 99 with 99.
18. 209.
209. 99 plus 99.
198.
Add 77 with 77. What would that be?
हिंदी में नहीं आता मेरे
No,
को.
English. 77 plus 77.
Okay, 77 plus 77. 14, 1,
49 plus 49. You're not gonna help. 49 plus 49.
68.
What is 88 plus 88? You're a math student. Come on, you can do it. Square of 6.
Yeah, no clue.
36.
Okay. Okay, I thought square is like the chota.
No, 36.
What's the chota?
36.
Square.
36. Yeah.
Okay.
India has a rich, diverse, and intellectual past. India is applauded and known the world over thanks to its many contributions, advancements, and achievements in many fields since time immemorial. It is one of the greatest ancient civilizations of the world, and because of its glory and heritage, it's respected worldwide. India gave solutions to the world's problems. Through its ingenious solutions, it helped the world advance and progress, especially in the field of science and mathematics. 0 is one of the greatest contributions from the times of Aryabhatta in the 5th century. India also invented the decimal number system. India has a series of astronomers and mathematicians like Bhaskaracharya, Brahmagupta, Madhava, who worked relentlessly and made path-breaking achievements possible. With the advent of technology in this information age, we can now understand that certain mathematical concepts and ideas were originated in India much before than in Europe. For example, the concept of Pythagoras' theorem has been mentioned in the Bodhayan Sulba Sutras much before Pythagoras. The concept of gravity was well understood and its laws given by Brahmagupta 1,000 years before Newton, and the study of infinite series, calculus and trigonometry was contributed by Madhava much before Newton. In the early 20th century in India, a monk, Swami Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthaji, who was also a mathematician, authored a book titled Vedic Mathematics. As the legend goes, he went into solitude in the forests of South India between 1911 and 1918. He meditated and researched for nearly a decade and came up with an ingenious way to speed up mathematical calculations mentally. The book was published in 1965 and soon became one of the bestsellers in the academic fraternity. Much has changed after over 55 years since the book was published, as we see now in 2020. Numeracy levels have dropped not just in India but globally. 56% of class 8 students can't do basic maths, according to an Acer report in 2018. In 2020, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji himself endorsed Vedic maths classes for competitive exam aspirants on Mann Ki Baat.
आपको मालूम है एक ऑनलाइन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स के क्लासेस चलते हैं?
यस सर।
हाँ, कभी ट्राई किया है इसका?
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं किया।
आप देखिए, बहुत सारे आपके दोस्तों को लगेगा जैसे आप जादूगर है, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर की स्पीड से आप गिनती कर सकते हैं। वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स की बहुत सरल टेक्निक्स हैं और आजकल वो ऑनलाइन पर भी अवेलेबल होते हैं।
जी सर।
क्योंकि आपके मैथमेटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो बहुत सी नई नई चीज़ें भी आप दे सकते हैं।
जी सर।
The rise of the internet only led to making Vedic maths popular, and most needed to make maths fun and interesting rather than dull and boring.
Most of the students are finding maths as a challenging and difficult subject.
Changing the mindset of our students from I can't to I can.
A search on Google generates over 2.7 million results as we speak in 2020. A talk was given on TED on YouTube titled The Magic of Vedic Maths in New York, and this generated over 3.3 million views, 90,000 likes and over 4,000 comments. This is perhaps the talk that introduced Vedic maths to students worldwide. A lot of research has been done on the topic in the last few decades with applications in information technology. For example, research on speeding up programming time, speeding up VLSI arithmetic, and even applications in elliptic curve encryption systems using Vedic math techniques. A wide range of books are now available on Amazon, and some of them can also be found on Kindle, Amazon's ebook store. Hundreds of mobile apps are now available on Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store to learn Vedic mathematics. Some of them also use artificial intelligence and machine learning so that you can better learn the system. There are thousands of students learning Vedic maths online via websites like Udemy and Skillshare. On-demand satellite DTH operators like Tata Sky beam Vedic maths programs pan-India through their channels. There is live online training that goes on round the clock to train more teachers in the field to have better understanding of Vedic mathematics.
It has certain formulas, and if one acquaints himself with those formulas, all the mathematical questions can be solved within a very short time. And as we know that so far as developments in science is concerned, mathematics has its own importance, and therefore for those developments, knowledge of Vedic mathematics is absolutely essential.
Vedic maths is being used by students in the Middle East, in Oman, Dubai, Qatar, and even Tunisia. Most students are expatriates and people from the Indian diaspora who want to connect back to their Indian roots and deal with mathematics. In South Africa, in the KwaZulu-Natal province, the government in South Africa has conducted pilot projects with Vedic maths. Results were astonishing in government schools as those kids struggling with maths can now perform over 40% better than before. A whole generation of students were not given maths and science training due to apartheid, divide of black and white in South Africa. Vedic maths give them hope as simple and easy. The Thailand government is too interested in Vedic mathematics. In India, Vedic math is being introduced in the government schools under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan of Government of India because of the same reasons of maths phobia. It is being implemented in the states and union territories of Silvassa, Manipur, Haryana, Bihar and Punjab. A lot of academic as well as entrepreneurial interest is there in many countries including India, the United States, Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, etc. It is no doubt that we can safely say that Vedic maths is India's newest gift to the world.